Welcome to the ProKitchen Skylights tutorial. Skylights are a great way to add natural light to any design and complement any cathedral ceiling. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate just how easy it is to add skylight windows to your cathedral ceilings in ProKitchen Software. Let's get started. In this design, I've added a cathedral ceiling with its slope on this top wall here. Now I need to add 3 skylight windows to the left and right side of the cathedral ceiling. To do so, first I'll open up my created elevation views and open the elevation tab of my left wall. Now I can start to add the skylight windows. Navigate to the Doors and Windows tab at the top and select the Windows icon from the ribbon, or simply click the Windows icon found in the top toolbar. In the Windows Select and Place dialog, under the Windows folder, you'll see a subfolder titled Skylights. Click on it to open, and the skylight windows available will appear at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on an option from the bottom, and its preview image will appear above. Scroll down the list to find the window you need for your design, or if you know the SKU of the skylight window you're looking for, you can type that in the Find area. Once you select the window you want to place, a tooltip dialog will appear on the right. Here, you can set the elevation in which you want the window to be placed at, the height from the floor to the top of the window. For my design, I need my windows to be placed at an elevation of 180 inches. Also, you can set the exact measurement from the left or right side of the wall in which you want the window to be placed at. I need my window to be 24 inches from the left end of the wall. Then, once set, click Place. Your cursor will turn into a plus sign indicating placement mode, and you can click directly on the wall that you want your window to be placed at. It will place the window where your set measurements, and then you can click once again to lock it into that position. The Windows Select and Place dialog will reappear at the exact position in the folder you are in, so you can add more windows. This time, I'll delete the left end measurement, but keep my set elevation height and click Place. Again, clicking directly on the wall I want the window placed on, and then clicking again to lock it in its position. Lastly, for my third window, I'll set the right side measurement to 24 inches and then click Place. Clicking directly on the wall I want it placed on, and then clicking again to lock it into position. Since my 2 end windows are exactly 24 inches from the left and right end of the wall, I can center my middle window according to the ceiling. To do so, right-click on the window, select its SKU, and from its toolbox, click Center. Your cursor will turn into a plus sign again, and this time you can click directly on the ceiling to tell the program that that's what you want to center this window on. Now, for the right wall, I need the exact same 3 windows set in the exact measurements. To save myself time, I can simply copy the windows I already have on the left wall and paste them to the right wall. Right-click on the left wall skylight windows, select its SKU, and from its toolbox, click Copy. Your cursor will turn into a plus sign again, indicating placement mode for your copied object. Click directly on the right wall, and it will place your copied window, and then click again to lock it into position. Then repeat for the other 2 windows. Now, I can right-click on the windows that I just placed on the right wall and use the Center tool to center them according to the left wall's windows. Right-click on the window, select its SKU, from its toolbox, click Center. Your cursor will turn into a plus sign again, and now click directly on the left wall skylight window that you want to center the right wall skylight window with. As long as my measurements are right on the first wall, then the center tool should mirror their placements exactly. Now, I'll render my design in 3D to see a final HD quality image of my design. And that's it. Now you're ready to start adding skylight windows to any design in ProKitchen Software with cathedral ceilings.